welcome to the Warehouse Studio, where we get close, candid, and casual with some of our very own Goan celebrities. First of all, wishing you all a very happy new year from the entire team of the Warehouse Studio. I'm Sylvia, and this is Orville.
And that's Fraser, Marlon, Edelbert, and Mr. Bobo. And this is the Warehouse Band. We've chosen this very special song for you today. It's called Nove Voros from the movie Boglant, sung by Delphin and written by the one and only Alfred Rose.
Nove voros eta tawon Pone voros veta powon Sobai taji geli devon Kota kota veta powon Kalok salok kornak toy kor bezgeta Chede hosla beda kuzrauta Boku nara chede chidwak mengoita O matro poya chidwur sos mon kodeling bezita Nove voros yetta tawon One voros veta powon Sobai taji Kota veta powon
Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Cheru munda.
You are my dear
Cheru sangha, darling, come near. Gonna be a taram, gonna be a tabir. Happy New Year, soglang tunga munda.
Happy New Year
Cheru akonak asat pengir cherezao. Akwarancher rotsnaran kalche pesao. So mesta chagarani so was kain machidam. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Chirumunda,
You are my dear
Chero Santa, darling, come near. Gonna be a taram, gonna be a tabir.
Nove voros yetta tawon One voros veta powon Sobai taji geli devon Kota kota veta powon
Yeah!
They are young, energetic, and full of life. They're a band that made waves at the Red Bull All India Band Hunt.
They are heartthrobs at every Goan wedding they play, and they simply blow your mind with every performance they do.
So, ladies and gentlemen, at the Warehouse, the Runks!
We'll say it again. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Runks! Hey? Are, ingit ko dra tu?
Performing, no? Interview.
They're
today.
performing with. You'll have to come with. Sogle hele?
Yeah. So let's not waste time.
No.
Let's,
Give me a mic.
let's-
Wait.
let's
Radha,
go.
this is what I said. Energetic. See, they're too energetic. They want to play straight away.
Let's not
Masi,
waste time, let's go.
AI, enter from that side.
properly.
Nicely. Do it nicely.
Let's go.
We'll give you a nice entrance
We're
also.
going. We're coming back.
Yeah.
Go just for.
How did I enter?
please have a seat.
Please.
you.
Make yourselves comfortable. Sheldon, would you like to sit here? Okay. So let's begin. Begin.
Today no cards. Begin.
Let's carry on the conversation we were having in the green room. To tell you, they were like really making us laugh, and
We didn't sign up
we
for
were
this,
like,
bro. We
our
didn't
stomachs
sign
are
up
still
for
paining
this.
laughing. So we're going to continue that conversation. So boys, tell them also.
You can continue. Yeah,
No?
start.
Okay. We were just joking. The mic is down, bro.
Just joking around, fooling around. Now Sheldon will take it.
Off, Ritz.
We need to record these laughs and keep them.
Okay.
All right. What is the thing that got you all here?
Okay, so yeah, the thing that got us together, I think the main thing that we are together till date is the bonding that we share. And the reason we came together was a competition that we took part in. 2016, there was a competition in January, and it was in
You all weren't a
Fusion.
band that time together.
No, we weren't a band. Actually, Castle, Sheldon, and Eddie were in a band, in a different band, and I was in a different band. And we used to do weddings at that time in Goa. So there was this competition, and somebody approached me and said, "Would you like to be a part of it?" I said, "Yeah, why not? You know, you can give it a try." So they said it's just like, you know, infusion, wherein you do weird stuff. And we were very into doing weird stuff at that, not in the wrong sense, but yeah, we used to do a lot of weird stuff back then. And I know Castle for a long time. We were schooling together. So I asked Castle, should we do it? And Castle was like, yeah, why not? We should do it. So now the problem was, it's just the drummer and the singer. Now we need a keyboard player, a bass player, a lead player, something. So then I asked him if he could ask Sheldon and all. So yeah, and then we got together. 3 days before the competition, we had practice session. And the thing is, for the competition, you have to play something different. And we didn't know what to do. So we were practicing, and we were practicing at their old band room. Like, you know, the irony of the situation is, their old band practice room, we are practicing for the rungs.
Oh, wow.
It went good. We tried to do Every Breath You Take in a different way, in an Indian way. We did that. And we did this song called Socha Hai in a reggae genre.
Okay.
So yeah, and we practiced for 1 day. Then next day we were like, no, we should not go. Maybe not go. Then the third day we practiced again, and we directly went for the auditions. To our surprise, we thought we did shitty over there. We were just, you know, fooling around. But we got selected, and we were in the finals. And then we practiced one more time. And for the finals, we went, and I'll tell you what we were wearing actually. It was really funny. So we were wearing these, what are they called? These dhoti kind of pants.
Pajama kind of.
Yeah, pajama kind of pants, and all Om and all written on it. And we look like those
Rastas.
Rastas, completely Rastas too.
I was there for that show, I think so.
You were there.
It was in summer there.
Sour
Yeah,
neck,
yes,
correct.
yes,
Yes. So yeah, and we were so like, you know, so chilled out about it. And there are bigger musicians, like, you know, elderly musicians who have participated there. We were sitting on the steps. It was an auditorium, Ravindra Bhavan. We were sitting on the steps, and everybody was making fun of us. So we went, we performed, and the judges loved it. We got a standing ovation. And the next thing we know is we are holding the check and the victory trophy.
Wow.
And yeah.
Who took the check home?
Sheldon took the check home, the big check. No, Ethan took the check home. Ethan took the check. Ethan is our former member. He's the
Okay.
bass player, but he had to leave. So then we got hold of this guy. I don't know why. But
So why the name Runks? Why? I mean, we did a little bit of Googling and
though I don't think the meaning is there up on Google.
Oh, yes. You want me
Really,
to
I
show you?
really don't think so. 1 second. Yeah, so Runks is basically, I didn't know about the meaning on Google. I didn't know the meaning on Google, but when I thought of the name, I ran it through Castle and Ellison also. He's my good friend. And he was like, it's a good name. It has got a catch to it. I mean, you'll also agree that Runks has a catch to it. So it is basically half of two words, rock and funk. So the rock and the r and the funks.
I
and the-
guessed as much.
Yeah, so Runks. That is how Runks
I know
is
it
called.
wasn't coming from the Google explanation.
No, it's not going to come from there.
So who are your biggest influences?
I
It's
think
in
we
this journey.
all have different influences. Yeah, we all have different influences. We could tell them one by one, like
Yes,
per
please.
person. Yeah.
You'd love to know.
We'll start with Sheldon this time.
Yeah.
No influence. Yes.
He influences people, in fact.
In a very bad way.
In a very bad way.
very bad way.
Exactly.
In a very bad way.
Just for?
I grew up listening to Brian Adams, Enrique, Boyzone, Pink Floyd.
Okay, my influences are, if I go to see, I've learned more into rock and retro. So that those are my, like, I play more in those genres. Like, I love it more.
You'll have all spoken about all either international artists. What about our Goan guys? None of you must have seen lots of them on stage. None of them influential. I mean, kone eklo to like dala salo?
For me, is Assam, like one of the legendary.
Assam
of
sir.
Goa.
Yes, yes.
For me, a singer is you.
Hey, you paid him or what?
No, I didn't pay.
His payment going all over.
Thank you.
Guru, yeah.
Okay, and the rest? Any Goan influences?
Chris Perry,
Alright.
then
Wait.
Remo.
Aspi.
and Orville also. Like he's a good drummer and a singer also.
Thank you.
Yes.
Obviously, you, a great female singer we have. in
Thank you
Goa.
so much. You don't have to be so nice to us just because we're hosts, just
know.
go.
You can say we do bad also.
Yeah. Sheldon?
Actually, I learned something from every musician, so singers. Like.
Okay. That's good.
Diplomatic. For me, yes, almost the same thing, but then there are a few people that I look to like really up. One is Orville out of them. Amazing person, amazing drummer. Then there is Remo. Remo is really good. And then there are a few more elderly musicians. If I start naming them, the list is going to be a long, long list. But I really adore them, and I always think of walking in their footsteps in musical ways.
Okay, let me tell our viewers this episode is sponsored by Orville because he's really bought them today for this episode.
Green room. After when we went out, then I had the chat.
Oh,
with
you
him.
all had
Yeah,
this
yeah,
setting
yeah,
done. Oh, wow. Picturing.
Gara ka po yan.
Data. So tell me, most of our Goan boys, as soon as they finish work, they have dreams of
Going to the ship?
yes. Did any of you
No,
abroad or ship or anything?
No shit. Actually.
No ship.
No shippy life.
There are so many things in Goa that you can do, right? There are so many things you can do in Goa, but nobody actually wants to do them because they think like, no, what will this fellow say? For instance, I have my friends who say the same thing. They're like, I told him the other day, just silly example, I asked him to cycle with me. He said, my neighbors will see, and what will they say? I'm like, you're cycling for yourself, right? So
Yeah.
similar way, you're working for yourself. You're not working for somebody else. You're working to fill your stomach and fill your family's stomach, right?
Exactly.
So that is my belief on that. You can work outside, no doubt, you can work, but you can do a lot of things being in Goa also. You just need the right
But
motivation.
did any person, ever you came across anyone asking you this question, what do you do other than music?
Yeah, a lot.
You did?
Yeah.
I think most of the music.
Yeah, most of the musicians
We
come
got it
across
last
this
time.
question.
That's the main-
They think music is not a full-time job. They think it's just a part-time.
When you
It's just
meet
a
them-
hobby
When
kind
you
of.
meet them for a wedding, you ask.
Yeah, what else do you do?
Edge buyer kit kotu. Aw edge kota. Na edge buyer kit kotu.
Na kaam kitko tha?
Koi kaam kit kota. Hui kaam kota.
So you all have come across this question.
Yeah. And education is another thing. Like, they'll ask you, what, are you graduate in this? Are you graduated in that? Like, when you tell them you have certain degrees in music, they'll be like, yeah, that is okay, but what about education? So
Yeah.
for those people also, they should know that music as well
Yes.
is education by itself. So that is also.
Very true.
True. Edel and Sheldon.
Yes.
You guys are usually always seen together or you hang around together. What, is there something going on or
You guessed it right.
See, you're on camera.
Kaisal, what we call them, right?
so what do you all do?
Gobile won't I think. So he has a wife, he's married. We'll tell that first only, no? Like, in case there are girls watching the video.
Oh, shit.
So, like, yeah, he's married. He's already married, guys.
already-
Take
I'm
care
not
of
Got a
it.
baby.
He's
as
got a
well.
baby also, so yeah.
I'm not married.
But not eligible.
Not eligible, yeah. I feel the only guy eligible right now is Jespo.
With 4,000 classmates.
With 4,000 classmates.
Jespo, Pareto, you'll find him on Instagram and Facebook. Promotion kya to gale.
So what do you all do actually together? You all are mostly seen together, Edelbert and... Edelbert is playing for Warehouse at the moment, but he's a part of Bronx. Let's make that clear.
Yes.
But other than that, you all both
Okay,
do
we are
something.
both together because we are we are working in a studio,
Okay.
our own studio named called Foreman Studio.
Okay.
So we
We are
mostly-
working along with this famous cinematographer named Josephine
Yeah.
and one of our friends, Royston.
Okay.
So we like 4 of us working for a 4-month
So you all
studio.
teamed up together
Yes,
to form this 4 men. Okay, quite good.
That's why it's called foaming.
Yes.
4 men.
So now let's take a break and play a small gamish kind of a thing. Okay, it's called shoot or be shot.
You're gonna shoot.
So we're going to ask you questions, random, and you don't have time to think. You have to answer first.
Okay.
All right?
Rapid question.
Yeah, it's like kind of
Yes.
a rapid, but it's called.
If
shoot
you don't
or be shot.
answer fast,
I
you'll be
have a
shot.
gun.
Oh, so if I don't answer, then
Shoot.
Shoot
with what?
with a gun.
Dead.
Okay, I'll go first with Georgie. Name 5 favorite Goan singers, male and female.
Lester, Sylvia, Orville, Blasio,
Cheating.
Neil.
He's just scared that he'll be shot. A rumor you would like to spread about yourself.
Whoa.
Quick.
That I'm
That is
a rumor that I would like to be spread about myself. Sheesh, man. This is so difficult.
So easy, man.
Rumor.
That is like praising your own tail.
Yeah, so it's a rumor.
very good drummer. He's a very good drummer.
I'm a very good drummer. Yeah, I love drums actually. I love banging, as in drums.
Drums.
Yeah, drums.
Okay, Castle, this one's for you. Who irritates you most in the band?
Sheldon.
I knew that was coming.
I knew that was
Obvious,
coming.
that is obvious.
Name 5 favorite Goan drummers of yours.
Orville Rodriguez.
I knew he did. I know he
This
framed
is
this
somehow
question for
I'm
this.
going.
This is somehow going to you.
This is framed.
I'm going.
Joe Pereira. Then I have in Assam.
Countdown for him.
Pass.
Cliffy.
1,
And
2.
Chris. Tyler Bay.
Good. Sheldon.
Very nice. Whoa.
Are you ready?
No.
What if what if you were asked to tell a joke? What would be the funniest joke you know by heart?
This should have been Eddie's question, man. This should have been Eddie's question.
I know.
I don't joke
Yes.
normally.
You don't joke.
No, I'm a serious guy.
Now that's a joke.
Yeah.
That one thing you would change about your band.
Georgie.
To make it fair.
Georgie, you may leave.
Both of us.
I'm gone.
All right, Edelbert, if given a chance, which Goan band would you like to play with, perform with?
Samara.
I mean, not join them.
Samara. You be careful.
You're at gunpoint right now.
Countdown.
1,
Amigin Raya.
2.
Amigin Raya.
You have my gun?
No, I have my own.
Okay, 3. Scam. You
on,
have to
Eddie.
pretend. You have to pretend dead. Like, fall. And now answer the question.
There are a lot of band.
But just one.
One must be there which you like, totally like. No?
Mostly, okay, Sky High.
You ask my question. and I'll go and sit with Ram there.
Ram is looking at you all. Come on. Okay, this one is for Jespo. But yes, one more question to Eddie.
Yeah, no, another one. Name 3 people, dead or alive, okay? You would like to invite for dinner.
His ex-girlfriend.
Dead or alive?
Yeah, man. Alive, no?
Acha, I thought dead.
No.
Okay. And that same thing. What you said ask the joke part.
The joke part.
The joke part.
One
you get
joke.
one bonus. You get one
Sangpa
bonus.
Pata. You have
Joke
to tell this
Sangpa
joke.
Patla.
Oh, that one only. Komegala.
They have lots of
Intense
stuff.
tegala jokes.
Intense. You will laugh at the joke. You all also will laugh at the joke.
Okay.
Kongni no sang re.
Small joke.
कोंकणीन जायता येते कडे वय.
वो joke सांगपाचो मागे हांसपाचें.
Okay. आमगे कोंबी आहा, okay. तेगे आयज birthday, okay. कोंबे गेली, hen, okay. But she is not celebrating her birthday. Why?
It's for you both.
Why? You have to
Today,
answer.
Today is the Kumbi's birthday, but she's not
Kombi-
celebrating.
Yeah, not celebrating. Why?
Ah.
Okay, I'll tell the answer. ते खबर ना ते आज बर्थडे
Okay, okay. Jespo, rank the following in order
Okay.
and rank them very honestly, okay?
Okay.
Food, traveling, music, cell phone.
You
Can
missed
I
out
answer
one.
for him?
No, he'll answer.
Okay. First would be.
5.
Repeat the words.
Food, traveling, music, cell phone.
Music,
Shut
food,
up.
traveling, cell phone.
Lies!
Nice. We saw that in the green room.
Yes. He was all the time with the phone.
Yeah.
So it can't be cell phone last.
Cell phone, traveling, music, food.
Food. Yeah.
That's the right
Actually.
I like the way everyone said lies.
answer. If you're stuck alone on an island and had two people with you, who would they be?
Would be my bandmates or my.
Two people.
Two people. You have to
Just two
name.
people.
Yes.
You can't have full
Just
band.
My future would be wife or.
No, right now. Right
wife
now.
na, Sadhya.
Right now.
Right now.
Then on ka.
My guitar and flute. Yeah.
Two people.
People, man.
So he's basically taking time to select from the
4,000.
4,000 students.
Yeah, that'll take a long time. We'll have a tea break.
They will have a TV.
No.
No?
Two people among these four people. Yeah. Any of them. Yeah.
So that took you so long to decide among these four.
Don't, we'll come with you. Stop deciding so much.
All right. Okay, that was nice. Well played. Good. Though you all took time, but
Yeah.
good.
Thank you.
Okay, now after this talk, once this is over, everybody's going home, or you'll have plans to go somewhere and chill out or do something?
Home.
home sweet home.
No?
Yeah, good.
Y'all don't want to? They have that nice song, don't they usually sing it for everyone? Let's have them sing it for the people, no?
Oh yeah.
Which song?
That
That
song-
Edelbert always
yeah, that,
irritates us with that song.
Party kuru.
Can you all sing it together? In five different voices. Can you please sing it? It's a very nice song. Huh? It's a superb sounding song. Good. Everyone should use it for a party.
Composed
Yes.
by Joshi.
No matter how
Yeah.
stressed,
Music by Adelbert.
music by Edelbert. No matter how stressed you are, you have to sing this song whenever you feel like.
Sa,
Come
sa.
on, go.
I wanted
Voice.
a...
Sa.
Do. Okay. 1.
What?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Party koruya, ami party koruya. Purtun, ami party koruya. Ami party koruya, ami party koruya. Ami party koruya.
Viva!
So let's party after this.
So you guys must be into social media and all?
Yep.
Who
Full
handles
on.
it?
Joji.
Full on, I think.
He's mostly into that.
Yeah.
Georgie?
Social media, yeah.
You handle.
I don't use
And
phone.
then how do you go about it? What about the... You must be keeping all the girls to yourself
No,
and
no,
not
no.
telling them about it.
No.
Point.
Correct?
No, I don't do that. Hey, what?
Correct, it seems.
What correct? No, as in, there was a time when everybody would handle the page and there used to be conversations, weird as conversations with
Conversations or conflicts?
conversations. So there is a page named The Ranks Goa. This is actually censored stuff, but yeah. We have a page, The Ranks, on Instagram. And when we just started the page, we had roughly about 300 followers or so. So, yeah. And whenever I used to check the page to do promotional stuff, I used to go to the DM section, and in the DM section, there would be chats like, Sheldon, I like your smile. That guy is so cute. And these all are only related to Sheldon.
Oh,
And he says, I'm the serious guy.
yes.
So then I told her, nothing doing. Everybody get out of the page. I'll handle the page. So now,
So now only you do that.
no, I don't do that.
So I was about to ask you the next question, like, who's the combo in the band? So that...
Combo
I'll
Eddie.
call him.
No, combo is Jespo.
Oh!
Combo is
He's
Jespo.
quietly sitting there.
Combo
Now
is Jespo.
Jespo, before Eddie.
Before Eddie, yeah, before Eddie. Before Eddie, now Jespo.
Silent killer.
All lies.
All lies. He's going to tell us now after he's 40. So when he turns 40, you all should have this interview again. So there is this thing that Jespo has told
after
us.
he retires.
After he retires, every time he says, I'll tell you after.
I'll tell you all
retire."
my secrets after I retire.
So when are you going to
then
retire?
those two chicks will find out that time. The two people who
Yeah,
will take
who
on
are
the
gonna be-
island.
On the island, yeah. So as a band, you all do gigs, but as friends, do you all like hang out, go partying, picnics, or anything like that, or is it only on stage? I've seen the chemistry in the green room, no doubt. I've seen them off stage, on stage. but
Till now, we have done only one picnic.
one- like an official band picnic.
Our sound engineer will agree to it.
Who is your sound
Who's the sound
engineer?
engineer of yours?
He's
Clive,
there,
right?
sitting behind, right there.
Clive.
Oh, Clive.
Clive
Clive.
is the sound engineer.
Clive,
Okay.
yes. Clive is mixing for you, all right?
Yes.
So you
Clive
all
is
went
mixing
with
for
him.
Yes.
So that was the only band picnic you all had.
For three years, we are only planning.
Oh,
We were planning.
But otherwise, you all do hang around. all
Otherwise we
together,
hang
right?
around,
Because
yeah, we
I
hang
see you all quite often. Lots of times, all of you all are together.
I know it is violation of rules, but we have been hanging out.
Rules,
Not those rules, man. Come on.
what do you all do?
So we've gone on the pleasure bike, like 4 of us. That's when only this was.
Very bad. Very bad.
No.
Not accepted.
That time we didn't have money for petrol. We had to go with one bike to eat.
We had only one bike.
Yeah, we had
That was
Sheldon's
at the
bike.
start, I think.
That was at the start. Yeah, that was at the
When we
start.
just started.
And we were very hungry. We were practicing, and we needed to eat something. Now we have like roughly he has 50, I have 60. We have no
So
money.
you all used to shell out whatever you all had.
Yeah,
Shellot contributed.
contributed. Correct. And and then we were going to eat Belpuri. So we used to practice at his house, and the Belpuri fellow was like 10-15 minutes away from there. So now we can't go walking because we are a band and we think great of ourselves at that point of time. We want to go by bike also, but then we have only one bike. So we made Sheldon sit on the what is that, man?
Footboard.
Footboard.
Footrest,
Footboard. He
Footrest
sat
too.
there and he put his he put his legs around the bike like this. Eddie rode the bike. Eddie rode the bike. I was in the middle and Castle was behind.
Bike took the weight.
Yeah, took the weight. How heavy are we? We are hardly.
You're still
So
light.
in that situation where you all had just one bike and 4 people riding that one bike,
Without
and
helmet.
you all used to like contribute to eat that Belpuri. You all used to feel big about yourself as a band.
Yeah.
Today, what do you all feel?
Today we are very humble.
When you all have cars and you all don't have one
You all
bike.
go in one car, contribute money, and go to a big restaurant.
No, we had stages. We had stages. Like first was the bike, then Sheldon, since he was like the smartest guy among us in
Thank you.
terms of investments, he bought a car. And the car that he bought was Nano.
Wow.
Okay, and now we are getting gigs at Shobha, reputed clubs like Shobha, Soro. And we have one car. And there are people coming at Soro and Shobha, right? And there are chicks coming. And main thing for us that time is chicks, like, young blood, no? Now also we are young blood only. Now we are sensible blood, actually. So yeah, now we have to go for the gig. And we are taking the gig at a very cost-efficient price. And we need to travel there. We need to take our stage gear. So, believe it or not, 2 Dynatex, 1 Dynatec.
Two Dynatec.
2 Dynatex, the drum
Dynatec
kit.
speakers.
Yeah. 2 Dynatec speakers, the drum kit, the whole drum kit.
Whole drum kit.
The drum kit,
Bass
like
drum.
like the bass drum and the snare and the floor tom.
2 keyboards.
2 keyboards, bass guitar, lead guitar, and 4 of us.
In the Nano?
In the Nano.
In the Nano. In the Nano. Just believe it or not. So he used to try. You used to try. He used
Do you
to-
all have a picture of it?
No, I don't think we have a picture of that because it was so embarrassing. It was like a clown car.
That's
So
like a memory, man.
I
we are
swear.
getting out, and Sheldon was like that on the keyboard, like sleeping behind. So the keyboards are on top of the drum, and Sheldon is sleeping on top of the keyboard. I'm sitting somewhere there like that. Eddie's sitting in front with the guitar, and he is driving. And the worst part is we finished the gig, and now it's time to go home. It's time to go. It's time to go home. And the Nano is not starting.
In front of the
In front of the club, we packed the whole car, and now we are nicely, okay, so I and Castle are like nicely showing off, and now we're going to sit in the Nano now. It's not starting. I, Castle and Sheldon are pushing the car from behind. People are looking at us from out.
First they played, now they're pushing.
Yeah.
So these things don't lead to arguments, fights?
No.
Nothing?
No.
You all don't have? As a band, you all don't fight?
We have
We
fights.
fight.
We fight.
We even beat each other.
Yeah. We fight a lot. But we love each other more. So that is more important.
Yeah.
Not love, yeah, love.
That should be there in a band.
That's well said, actually. We love a lot. more than the fights.
The fights,
That's,
yeah.
That's really nice. That's what keeps you all together.
But
I
then we
guess.
learnt it from
him
Fighting?
again here
not
also.
fighting. No, because Sky, come on,
together.
Sky has been
Fighting.
together
They
for how
learn
long?
from you.
Exactly, and they always tell us like, do whatever fights will happen, but what matters the most is y'all are a band and people like y'all because y'all gel well together, and that is very difficult to find somewhere else.
Correct. I've seen that bonding between you all.
Yeah.
So, what is the craziest thing you'll have ever done on stage?
Oh,
on
shit.
stage.
Here comes the weird part.
Lots
I
of
know
things.
off stage you'll do a lot.
Stage, lots of things.
On stage, I think
Some memory like which is really
the most embarrassing is that
Carnival.
Yeah, dressed like chicks. Yeah, we've dressed like chicks for a gig, and that was
I have pics of Sheldon as a chick.
yeah. We've done that
I
twice.
can
or
show my
thrice.
viewers.
If Sheldon is fine with it, please go ahead. It was very funny. And then people were coming to click pictures with us, and we were still dressed like chicks. We were clicking pictures with them. And Castle, out of the blues, what did you put for your face, bro?
The
That
wig,
day?
that black color.
He painted his face black and he came for the
Castle.
cake. I don't know why.
All right, so now let's break for a game.
Again?
Yeah, that was not a game. Now is the game.
Okay.
Okay. You guys are going to cook a virtual dish. A dish virtually, rather.
Okay.
We'll tell you the recipe.
Mm.
And you guys have to explain it, how to cook it.
Okay.
You don't have to actually cook it.
Okay. Now, I was wondering from where would you bring the gas now?
Yeah, thought of. But then we said, let's go virtual. Right? But there's a catch.
Okay.
We tell you which language and who continues. Like you start, we'll say stop,
Okay.
you continue in a different language. You have to say it in 3 different languages: English, Hindi, and Konkani. So wherever the first guy stops, the next guy continues in the next language.
That we'll do it on a remote.
And
We are going
yes,
to call out the
and
names.
for that, this is the remote.
So you're going to control us?
Yes. She's going to control.
Oh.
The lady.
Oh.
So I'm going to tell you who is going to start and which language you're going to start. I can change the language while you're saying it also. Okay. So until I take the next name, don't stop.
Okay.
All right.
Okay?
So you
Are
want
we
to know
good
the
to go?
Yeah.
Yes.
You want to know the recipe? I mean, you want to know the
Dish?
Dish?
Yeah.
Tell them.
Can we suggest Eddie as a dish? Eddie?
Can we fry omelette?
Okay, since
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
since it is a request, since it is a request, I'm going to go with that. I'm going to give you something like that with a twist. It's a spicy tomato, ham and cheese omelette.
First remember, huh, boys?
Spicy.
Spicy
Spicy
tomato.
tomato,
Ham and cheese omelette.
omelette.
Can we discuss for a minute?
No.
No. You're done. Georgie,
Okay.
you're done. You start in Konkani.
Okay. Mirsang.
Kit korbaji.
Are spicy
I didn't
niti?
say no. Ingredients.
Ingredients are mirsang. Vastu is mirsang. Tomat. Tanti. What do you call ham in Konkani, man? Ham is what?
Ham is ham only.
Okay, ham.
Ham. And cheese.
Ani cheese.
Ani cheese, tel, meat. Kyle and all you have to say. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
You
No,
have
no,
to
that's
tell
okay.
the whole recipe
Okay.
and the way you're going to cook it.
Okay. Kyle, guess.
If you're doing a cooking
Sogle.
show, you won't say tel, meat, misang. No, you got to say.
These are my ingredients. Okay. Sogle, everything I have to say in Konkani? Or I can say?
Yeah, you have to say in Konkani. At the moment, you have to say.
Till I change it.
Sogle katurpache पहिले. मिरसांग, टोमाट. बोला घालपाचे.
Hindi.
अंडा फोड़ना है. अंडे को बोल में डालना है. उसके बाद हैम और चीज़ को थोड़ा थोड़ा बारीक काट करना है और उसको भी बोल में डालना है और
घुमाने का.
मिक्स करना है सब कुछ. मिक्स करने के
Okay,
बाद
stop. Eddie. In Hindi.
वो सब मिक्स करने के बाद थोड़ा उसमें नमक डालो और वो थोड़ा और घुमाओ और बाद में एक कायल ले लो. कायल को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं मालूम नहीं. सो गैस ऑन करो, लाइटर लेके गैस ऑन करो और उस पर कायल रखो और कायल थोड़ा तापने दो और
टेम्परेचर कितना होना चाहिए?
और टेम्परेचर एक 150 डिग्री ओके और उसके बाद वो बोल में वो मिक्स किया गया हुआ तो
English.
the mixer you have to put on the
Yeah, he said it right. He said it right.
the mixer which we have done the egg, ham and tomato we have to put it on Kyle or the tawa or something.
Frying pan.
Jespo. So now you change to Hindi.
हिंदी तो सब फ्राइंग पैन पे जब तेल डाल के उसको सब अंडा वगैरह सब वो मिक्स किया था वो सब फ्राइंग पैन पे डालने का उसको शेप देकर उसको गरम
Why Jespo talking about shapes here?
नो यू कैन डिजाइन लाइक इट कैन बी एनी डिजाइन
हिंदी।
ओके सो कोई भी आकार आ सकता है अंडे का तो उसको जज नहीं करने का ऐसा ही जो एक साइड गरम होता है तो उसको पलटने का वो पलट दिया तो उस साइड भी गरम करने का बाद में वो जब पूरा रेडी हुआ तो उसको दूसरी प्लेट इन दवरपाचें आणि देन यू कॅन गार्निश इट गार्निश करपा तुज्यानी कोरिएंडर करपा नाजाल्यार तुज्यानी
Sheldon.
सॉस करपा
मागीर तें काडपाचें आनी खावपाचें
Why did I do this? No, it's not done. Konkani.
ओके पावलो तूं गार्निशींग
गार्निशिंग
हय मागीर तें गार्निश करपाचें मागीर तें प्लेटींग घेवपाचें सर्व करपाचें नाजाल्यार खावपाचें काडपाचें
Servings, what are the garnishings, everything? In English.
I don't know actually what you
How you garnish?
But you have to tell us the whole process.
you can put tomatoes
Again.
Okay, he's garnishing it with tomatoes. Okay.
Tomato.
onions you can make a salad
Salad. Okay.
put over it and serve
In what? Everything. Till it is on the table.
put it in the plate
And give it to Kessel Ram. In Hindi.
ऊपर थोड़ा चीज मार सकते हो और थोड़ा गार्निश मार के ब्रेड में डालने का और खाने का
1 minute. I didn't understand this. Bread में डालने का खाने का what?
से मारने का और खाने का
He did 2 in 1 like
Two in
खाने का. Wow, well played, guys. Seriously, that was really amazing. I wouldn't come for dinner though, or anything of that sort. But Ori, would you?
Yeah.
If they invite you?
I think he's used to it.
Yeah. he's-
Provided you order from out.
Okay, cool. But
Because I
seriously,
can't call like this. No?
that was really good. Seriously.
All right. So, y'all don't win anything.
No?
Y'all don't get it.
We did so good.
No. But what you'll do get is a token of our appreciation.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being on our show
Thank you. Thank you.
and gracing our show.
We have a little something for you.
Oh wow.
And that's Melanie.
Yes.
Say hi.
Hi Melanie. Thank you.
Melanie, say hi.
This is Kessel.
What is that?
iPhone
Really? iPhone?
Well played.
Just because you're warehouse band doesn't mean you're going to get another one.
जाल मुठे दूर पोతుంది
And calm down.
Well, our
you so
viewers
much.
are
Thank you.
waiting to hear a song from you guys.
Yeah, I think we are prepared with it. Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
You are.
yes
Yeah.
Tell us something about it for that.
The song. About
The
the song.
song. About the song.
So the song is a Konkani song. It is a love and a breakup kind of song. It depends on how you perceive it. Written by my mother. She writes in Konkani. So you've seen
What's
my
her name?
Konkani. Guadalupe Dias.
Sorry?
Guadalupe Dias. So yeah, the song is written by her and we've played it together. We
The
got
Rungs.
together. Yeah, the Rungs have played it together. And there is this studio. What is the name of the studio that we are going to record it in?
audio master
Audio Masters. Yeah, Audio Masters. Guys, Audio Masters is a studio in Goa. You can go there, record.
Match fixing again. That's him.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm hoping you'll like the song. Yeah, let's go.
And one quick message to the viewers, whatever you all want. a nice message to the viewers? To all your fans, all the girl fans. See them laughing.
See them blushing.
I think one thing that we'll all agree on is keep loving us the way you have for the past 4 years. Keep supporting us. Keep sharing our posts and commenting, subscribing, liking, whatever it is. And also, don't stop believing, as in the way we didn't stop believing that this band would be here one day. Keep following your dreams and take care. That's it.
Well said.
That's it. All right, now to the part where you'll do your best. That is music. Please.
Definitely. Thank you.
Take stage.
Ais borok aila monak उगडास ओइले भेटेछौ शापुनुला काळसा रुपकार चिंचे उंचे वाटेछौ मळबाकुई जाला मोग तांबड्या त्या सूर्याचो मोगा कामच्या गोवाय आवाज त्या दोर्याचो वाऱ्याची मोस्ती आतां झाडांक लागल्या कळोंक चंद्रान दिल्ली नोकेत्रान रात लागल्या म्हणून Mochi moga sang kena goteli chinche ponche wate poro nosha kena choteli morba kuizala mok तांबड्या त्या सूर्याचो मोगा कामच्या गोवाय आवाज त्या दोर्याचो वाऱ्याची मोस्ती आतां झाडांक लागल्या कळोंक चंद्रान दिल्ली नोकेत्रान रात लागल्या म्हणून त्या सूर्याचो मोगा कामच्या गोवाय आवाज त्या दोर्याचो वाऱ्याची मोस्ती आतां झाडांक लागल्या कळोंक चंद्रान दिल्ली नोकेत्रान रात लागल्या म्हणून
Guys, that was superb. Well, that was an awesome performance by the Rungs.
With that, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the part where we have to say adios. We don't like doing it, but we have to. Thank you for being with us. If you liked our show, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Till then, this is Sylvia Norville along with the Rungs and the entire team of the Warehouse Studio saying,
We'll be back!